This is a great way to earn money in 2024, and it's just easy as ABCD. You can earn money in Nigeria and any other country by just doing this simple step. I'm called PHIKAY, and this platform does not promote anything illegal. Everything here is for educational purposes only. Let's hop onto my phone screen to learn more. So this is the platform whereby you are going to get the link in the description below. Please watch the video till the end for you to get everything right. What you have to do is to create an account, link your social media, perform taxes, earn money, and withdraw your earnings. So for you to register, filling your email, name, the state. This platform is basically Nigeria. But if you aren't in Nigeria, you can register and I'll teach you how you can withdraw. When the time is due to withdraw, just check the link in the description. You can contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram, and I'm gonna help you in order for you to withdraw it if you're in Ghana or any other country. So for Nigerians, purposely, what you have to do is to just complete taxes. I'll pause the video and complete some taxes for you to know how fast I was able to earn an amount of money. This is a new account I created for this video. So as you can see, you can share just a link on your WhatsApp and just screenshots. Once you can delete it. After you delete it, you are going to earn. You can post on Instagram, you can add people on WhatsApp, you can comment on TikTok videos, you can follow profiles, a whole lot. We have over 28 pages of taxes. So imagine completing all these taxes in a day. You are going to earn not less than 30,000 naira that day. As you can see, within 6 minutes of working on this platform, I was able to earn 59,000 naira, and you can withdraw it instantly into your account, and this will be a side hustle idea for you to earn money. I know this tutorial will help you. If you're finding anything tedious, leave a comment in the comment section and I'll guide you through in order for you to join. You can join them on Telegram to know how they work. Goodbye.